Told you on Friday a number of medical centers around the state, including 2 here in New Haven, will get a total of $2.5 million from the government to try to fight Connecticut's growing heroin crisis.
News 8's Bob Wilson has a look at one center that's getting money and how they're going to put it to use.
Christopher is my son. He passed away on October 1st, 2014 of a heroin overdose.
Lisa Johns was just one of many mothers who rallied in New London holding a candle in the rain against the darkness of heroin. She's asking for help to stop the spread of the deadly drug so other mothers won't have to bury their children. And help is on the way. It was just announced that $2.5 million was awarded to 7 health centers in Connecticut to help treat people who are hooked on heroin.
It's wonderful to sort of see that statewide, and it's wonderful to see that it's going to a lot of sort of primary care health centers across the state.
2 clinics in New Haven, the Cornell Scott Hill Health Corporation and the Fairhaven Community Health Clinic, will receive about $750,000. Nearly $400,000 will go to Community Health Center in Middletown. That clinic says they will use the money to fight heroin at a grassroots level, providing education and medicine to primary care physicians on the front lines.
We have a wonderful medication called buprenorphine, which is a medication-assisted treatment other than methadone that we can actually prescribe in office-based settings. And so with this medication, we can now start to actually treat opioid addiction.
Dr. Hadid says the buprenorphine blocks the effects of heroin, taking away the high. And the sooner they can get primary care physicians to prescribe it, the faster it can go to work, which is a step in the right direction for every mother or father or family member who has lost someone to heroin.
My son died. I lost him. And what I wake up with every day, I don't want for anybody else.
So while the grant was just awarded, it is retroactive back to March 1st. They're expecting the money to come in any day now, and it will be doled out over the next 2 years. Doctors, clinicians saying they're getting ready to roll up their sleeves and put that money to good use. We're in Middletown. Bob Wilson, News 8.
And we have a list of the 7 centers and just how much money each is going to receive. You'll find it there at our website, WTNH.com.